If you're looking to customize Outgrow's branding and make your interactive content truly stand out, you're in the right place. In this quick guide, I'm going to walk you through everything you need to know to customize Outgrow's branding to fit your style and business needs. And if you're brand new to Outgrow, stick with me. I'll make sure you understand the platform's full potential. Before we dive into the details, if you haven't tried Outgrow yet, you can start using it for free with our exclusive link in the description below, which includes some awesome bonuses you won't find anywhere else. Now let's get to it. Outgrow is a fantastic tool for creating interactive content like quizzes, calculators, surveys, and more. But, as powerful as it is out of the box, one of the best features is how easy it is to fully customize the branding. This way, you can make sure your content aligns perfectly with your brand's identity. First, to begin customizing your branding, you'll need to head over to the Settings section. It's here that you'll find the tools to modify various elements like colors, fonts, logos, and even the overall layout of your content. Customization starts with the basics, changing the colors to match your brand's color scheme. You'll be able to adjust button colors, text colors, and background colors to create a cohesive look. Next, let's talk about fonts. Outgrow allows you to tweak the font styles used in your interactive content. You can select from a wide variety of fonts or upload your own custom font. This gives you a lot of flexibility if you want to keep everything consistent with your website or marketing materials. If you want to go a step further, you can upload your own logo to make sure your brand is front and center. Adding a custom logo is simple. Just head to the branding section, upload your image, and adjust its size and positioning to fit your design preferences. You'll also have the option to adjust the placement of your branding on the page so it doesn't interfere with the user experience. A key feature that often goes overlooked is customizing the final screens. These are the screens your users see once they complete a quiz or calculation. You can add personalized messaging, upload your brand's logo, and even customize the call to action buttons with your own wording. For those of you looking to integrate Outgrow with other platforms, this is where things get even more exciting. You can embed your branded interactive content on your website or landing pages, and you can even integrate it with email marketing tools and CRMs to ensure your branding is consistent across all customer touchpoints. One of the biggest perks is how easily you can make the content feel like a natural extension of your website or product. Outgrow's customization options are built for users who are serious about creating seamless branded experiences, not just generic content. It's about elevating your user experience and reinforcing your brand's identity at every step. Now, as promised, you can try Outgrow for free with an extended trial by clicking the link in the description below. This is your chance to test out all these features and more without committing a dime. You'll be able to fully explore how Outgrow's customization tools can work for you and your business without any risk. To recap, customizing Outgrow's branding is simple. Adjust colors, fonts, logos, and final screens to match your brand style. Don't forget to take advantage of the exclusive free trial available through our link. This way, you can try it out risk-free and see how Outgrow can help you create amazing branded interactive content that engages your audience and drives conversions. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to check out the link below for your free trial and bonus access. You'll get to experience all the customization features of Outgrow and start creating interactive content that works for you.